Hey friends, welcome to another video. So this video is all about an exciting product from Ampere. So this is about the world's first electrochromic sunglasses. So I found this product in online and I was quite amazed by the provisions it offered. So what it does is you can adjust the tint of the glass from a lighter note to a very higher note on this. So that means if you wanted to use one glass with a lighter tint to a darker tint, you can do this in one particular sunglass. That's really amazing. So I was really excited about it and I purchased this product online, and this video is about the unboxing of this particular product. I'll create a separate video from the features and the review point of view. So let's enjoy the unboxing video. So I ordered this product online from India, and it is actually shipped from a Western country. So this is manufactured in the US, but the product I got was actually shipped from Netherlands. So I got this parcel. I will create a separate video on the process involved for purchasing the product through the international courier or parcel services. So this is purely on the unboxing note. So I ordered two products. One was of course the sunglasses, the Ampere Dusk, and the other is the charging case. You have to buy it separately. So when I received the parcel, I had like two boxes inside. Now let's see what's inside the Ampere Dusk sunglass box. And the back side of the cover says it is polarized, and it covers the basic features. And this is the charging case. And everything is neatly packed. It shows it is electrochromic sunglasses. So you can see the basic features like polarized. You can also listen to your music, and you can connect this sunglass to your smartphone and listen to your music, take phone calls and so on. And the Ampere Dusk corresponding charging case offers USB-C port connectivity, and you can charge your sunglasses using this box. So when you keep the glasses on the charging case itself, it will get charged. And also you can use the charging case as a power bank. If you wanted to charge your phone or tablet, for instance, you can charge it through the USB-C cable. So when opening the sunglasses box, this is what you have inside. There is a Dusk user manual, and there is a small film which can be used for testing the polarized nature of your sunglasses. Polarization, you can verify it with that sticker. All the basic functionalities of the sunglasses are included within this. This is pretty much a smart glass for those enthusiasts. and basically the sunglass comes up inside a smooth cover. And I have ordered the separate case because this is not protective cover which comes by default. So when you're actually purchasing something premium, I thought it is always better to have a protective case. So that is why I have ordered the corresponding charging case separately, which you will have to pay an additional amount for it. Now let's open the charging case box. Here you go. So you will see some basic user manual and functionality descriptions. You can use this charging case for various purposes, for charging your smartphone as well. Tablets can be charged through USB-C, so that makes it a little easier. So this is what the inside of this charging case looks like. You get a port for keeping your AirTag as well. That means you can track your sunglasses or the box if required. As it is a premium product, some people may want to track your product as well. And let's see what's additionally included within the sunglasses box. So here you will get a couple of nostrils. So the default nostrils that comes up with the glasses can be the medium sized one, and in case if you would like to change it to small sized one or the larger ones, you can do that. So it provides two sets of additional nostrils which can be attached to the sunglasses. And it also comes up with a charging cable. In fact, the glass have especially designed a unique port for attaching the cable, and the other end of the cable can be attached to a USB-C charger. So the glass also comes up with this particular cable, and you have to make sure you don't lose this cable. I mean, obviously if you would like to keep the glass inside the charging case, you don't need a cable. But if you're not purchasing this charging case separately, you will definitely need this cable for charging. So make sure you don't lose this cable if you are purchasing this glass, because this is a quite unique port that is getting attached to the end of the sunglasses, and obviously the other end is USB-C, so you can pretty much charge it uniquely. Alright, that's about it guys for today's video. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and stay tuned for similar sort of updates, and I will be posting a separate video on the review of this sunglasses and of course the charging case, and also I will create a separate video on the procedures involved for free shipping from an international e-commerce company to your nation. Alright, thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead.